Hi creative minds, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're making a hairband using pieces from our home. So sit back, relax and watch this. You'll learn one or two things. If you're not subscribed, I say thank you for staying with us, and if you're new, just coming across for the first time, thank you for coming by. Please click on the like button, share, comment and enjoy. God bless. Please note, before the end of the video I'm dropping the exact measurement I used. So yeah, finish cutting them out. That is the small one. So there are three in total. If you can see, I'm demonstrating how you're going to go and join the side you're joining. So you take it to your sewing machine and do justice so that bring it back. So if you look very well at this point, I have gone to the sewing machine to actually sew the three pieces separately, like I pointed out. You're joining it half an inch. Do not make that mistake. Half an inch. Then I brought it back to my ironing table. As you can see, I'm trying to open them, iron them properly. And you make sure that the sewing line is sits in the middle, so that if you leave it by the side, it will look tacky, it will not look neat. So I've actually finished pressing and I'm measuring now my elastic to insert it, use my safety pin, then insert it into that smaller one and we'll finish up the work. So keep watching. So as you can see, at this stage, I've actually turned and ironed properly all the three parts of this. So now I'm going to be putting them together. Like I've inserted elastic. You can see I just joined one side. Now I'm going to interlock the other one with it. Then put it together. Watch closely. I showed you how you placed it. And then go to the sewing machine and join it together neatly. Then draw it and flip it out. It is very easy. It's as easy as A, B, and C. My word. So can you guys see the beautiful outcome of this? This is the finished work and it took less than 30 minutes to make this. Please, if you've watched to this point, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, comment. What do you think? Do you want more videos like this? Do you want me to put you through on how to make another type of hairband? Leave it in the comment section. Okay? Thank you. God bless you.